To connect gaming controller with Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to enter a pairing mode on your controller. So click and hold the Bluetooth button right here, or actually Xbox button, as this is the Xbox controller. And after a moment, I should be able to enter pairing mode. Okay, we're in the pairing mode. Now let's swipe down from the top of the screen and move into the Bluetooth settings. From here, all you have to do is find your controller in the available devices, click on them and wait a moment until you see this. Click on pair, and now your controller will be connected with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.